Okay, what's this? This is from GoGo. This is a present from GoGo. Harrison's helping.
Who's GoGo?
GoGo is Annabelle's grandmother, my mommy.
Annabelle.
Annabelle, honey.
Annabelle.
We've already opened the piano.
What is it?
I don't know. Let's find out. You want to come help?
Ready? Tell me when to go.
Okay, ready? Go ahead. I'm videoing, so you can go anytime.
Go.
Oh my gosh. Oh, my first dolly. Oh, that is so precious. Annabelle, what do you think, baby? That's your first dolly. You give it a kiss? Oh.
She said, "Hey, my baby." What's up?
Oh.
She's a cowboy.
Daddy, I need pictures like instantly.
He likes to doll me. I like you. What are you? Are you a baby?
Is that your first dolly? Oh, she loves it.
She's earned her a lot.
I have video, babe. Don't worry. Yeah.
You do?
Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Already.
She loves the doll.